So we got everything laid out. We're gonna get ready to put these pipes back in. And we're gonna get our X pipe and everything connected. Then I'm gonna work my way to the front. So I'm gonna start in the back first, mock all that up, then work my way to the front. So we get up under here. Let's get real quick. And yeah, let's get to it. As you can see, I got the rears back hung. WD-40 works like a charm. So I put the flex pipe on there. That's 2 3/8 flex pipe. So it reaches all the way back here. So I may end up cutting it because the exhaust tips, they're 18 inches long. I got to repaint it, but I'm gonna do all that before I finally install everything. So I put it on here because I want to extend it out the back. So I want the tip to come out about right there. It's mocked up right now. So I got a flex pipe here. I ended up cutting it because it was way too long. But like you see, the tips are out here. And then on the other side, we got the same thing. And the tips are out here. So next up is going up here, installing the X pipe. Now here comes the fun and tricky part once we get the X pipe installed. So let's get it. Milk something. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I got the pipes extended out the back there. You can see those. Then come up here to the X pipe. I put some tape around the pipe here to seal it up a little more. Same thing up here. I'm put the clamps up right here and right there. So I got the other 2 clamps that's going onto the X pipe and the little flex pipe going in there. So I got all that back in. And then next time I'm gonna go back and mock up the back. So I decided not to delete the kidney bean muffler. I like my life right now. This was gonna just pee me off. I gotta be on the lift to get this out. It's just not enough space to even get up under here and cut like that unless I had the electrical saw. But yeah, let's get back to it. We made it to the back. Finna tape over this, clamp it, tape over here, clamp it. This is about where I want the tips to be coming out at. So I already got my spot location. Tape it, clamp it, and we should be Gucci. Do the same thing to the other side. So I'm gonna put it on time lapse and get to going. Throw the black paint on here real quick. The paint only was visible to the eye, so we're gonna go in. Like I said, only what's visible to the eye. Touch up paint. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Alright. Same thing for this side. Only what's visible to the eye. Alright. Got that done. I'm also gonna paint this back piece here. Once this dry up, I'm gonna paint this back piece black. Y'all gonna see when I'm done. Alright, if you look at it from this angle, got it extended out. Same thing over here. I think it's in there the best I can get it. I ain't the exhaust shop. So what I did, let's see. I gotta cut these zip ties off. Had to make me a DIY hanger. I'm gonna cut these tips off. Make sure it's tight. The reason why I got the tape up on there so it won't burn. Last time I did it without the tape, it burned off. But yeah, made a DIY hanger out of zip ties and all the way up here. So I mean, this is the best it's gonna get. I ain't touching this no more. I just want to extend them out the back, and I finally got the chance to extend them out the back. So that's good. Same thing for the other side. So yeah, let's keep it going. Alright y'all, so finish the touches. So when I'm done with everything, I'ma get everything together. I did mess up on the bottom part, but it's okay because I'm not done with it. So once I'm completely done with the rear end diffuser, whatever you want to call it, then I can put the rest of the other stuff on there. But let's do a quick little walk around real quick. So as you can see, I extended the pipes in the back the best I could. I think it came out great. First time. Should have did it like this the first time, but you learn. Go back and watch the videos and learn a little bit. But overall, it came out pretty good. Quiet up front. I think it did get a little bit louder though. It did get a little bit louder. I can't say that. So another thing I did was painted the front bottom grill. Went ahead and painted that black. As you can see, because it was faded out, there was another little spot right here. I just did a little touch up black paint right there. But that made it look so much better. It was really hot. I'm glad I am done with this little project. So whatever's next is next. Let me get pan out a little bit. Whatever next is next. I don't know if that black gonna show up good in the back, but yeah, I like it. Sounds good. Quiet up front, and then when you get to the back, that's when you hear the rumble. I'm gonna give y'all a little exhaust note. Since everything is sealed up, there's no leaks or anything now. So give you a little exhaust note. Hold on. And that'll do it.